We tried a new lip syncing tool, and here is what we love about it. In this tutorial, we'll go over how to make lip sync in Sync.
One of you left a comment in one of my previous videos on how expensive the lip syncing tools are and how frustrating it is, especially when they don't even give you a free trial. Today's tutorial will be on Sync software. All the links can be found in the description box below. Click on the link in the description and it will bring you to this website. Here, opt to get started for free and create an account. Once you've logged in, you'll land in their studio. The first thing we'll do is to rename our project right here. I'll opt for something simple and call it YouTube. I always prefer naming all my projects that I'm working on to keep things organized. You have two main options here, the Lite and Pro option. However, with the Pro option, you can upload your own voice, generate on the studio with their pre-made voices, and you also have the option to record your voice live. On your left, you have a menu. Under Assets, you'll find all the files you've uploaded. Under Voice, here you get to generate your voices. All the voices here are the same voices you have in ElevenLabs. And obviously, under History, you find your previous projects. We'll click on the voice section and choose a voice to use. I'll opt for the voice Brittany and paste my script here. Then click on Generate. It will show you the amount of credit it shall consume.
Yeah, it's often a bit challenging finding lip sync that works for more than one character.
If you're satisfied with your generation, simply click Apply. We now have one asset added. To add another asset, click on the plus button right here. You get the option to upload, link, record a video, or an audio. You also have access to 3 models on the settings here. There's the Lip Sync 1.9, Lip Sync 2, and Lip Sync 2 Pro. The 2 Pro is limited to paid plans only. Click on any of the video icons in the editor here to add your video. To generate the video, we'll use Hailuo. Sync doesn't work with still images. You need to add an animated video. Let's head over to Hailuo to generate a video for free. In Hailuo, under the video generation section, click on Upload New Image. In the prompt box, add your prompt. I kept it simple. She is talking with natural hand gestures and facial expressions, and then generated. This is the animation. Let's head back to Sync and add our video. Click on this button on the right here and the video will sync. This was the video output we got.
Yeah, it's often a bit challenging finding lip sync that works for more than one character.
I truly like the results. What I've found with most lip syncing tools is that the quality of your initial assets can affect the output of your video greatly. If your audio has a thick accent or your video glitches, the output you get isn't always great. I will generate an even better animation of my character using Veo 3. Let's head over to Gemini and I'll switch to video generation. I'll animate my character. The prompt I used is that she is talking with natural hand gestures and facial expressions. Sometimes Veo will give her a voice instead of simply animating, but that's okay. You can see how perfect and flawless the Veo animation is compared to Hailuo. Now we'll head back to Sync and this time add new assets. I'll add the audio we generated earlier and upload the animation we made in Veo. Then on the right here, click to sync. I made a mistake and forgot to turn off the volume of my video. On the left here, you can only have a voice from one of the assets. So either you keep the voice from the video or from the voice upload. I had to redo it again. There is no way of canceling a project once you start lip syncing. I found that even reloading the page doesn't cancel your project. So if you mess up, some credits are wasted. The amazing part of it was that all the generations were free. I didn't have any planned subscription.
We tried a new lip syncing tool, and here's what we love about it. In this tutorial, we'll go over how to make lip sync in Sync.so.
The output does have a watermark on the top left side of the video. You can easily crop out the watermark, remove it using websites like Watermark Remover, or better yet, upgrade your plan.
But what if you want to lip sync multiple characters? That is the main downside to this lip syncing tool. You can't lip sync more than one character. However, it is super realistic. This entire portion of the video is done in Sync.so.
You can generate videos up to a minute long on the free trial as well as the hobbyist plan. I also find it quite affordable. It offers the same quality as Hagen, but has cheaper tiers. Note that unlike Hagen, Where paid tiers give you unlimited video generations, Sync is usage-based. And that's it from us. Do let us know in the comments section what videos you'd love us to cover.